Cucumber beetles are very common garden pests throughout North America. Like their name implies, they love plants in the cucurbit family. Think cucumbers, melons, squash, pumpkins, and gourds. And they sometimes eat beans and corn, as well as flowers such as zinnias and roses. In this video, we'll look at their habitats, the damage they cause, and effective organic methods to manage and control them. There are two main types of cucumber beetles. We have the spotted on the left and striped on the right. Easy enough. They can both be found throughout the US, but the spotted is more common west of the Rockies and the striped east of the Rockies. During the spring, they appear from beneath the leaves where they overwintered and start eating. Females lay groups of eggs in cracks in the soil at the base of seedlings. The slender off-white larvae have 3 pairs of short legs and a darker head and abdominal tip. They generally feed on roots, but will crawl up onto the fruits and start feeding. So a fun fact, plants in the cucumber family have what's called cucurbitation. Say that 3 times fast. It's a biological compound that makes the skin and sometimes the flesh taste bitter. The plants evolved this defense to protect them from grazing herbivores. Adult beetles chew on all parts of the plant, causing stunted growth and reduced yields. They feed on flowers, which interferes with pollination and can stop fruit production. Damage to cucumber fruits looks like this. But the biggest problem both spotted and striped cucumber beetles cause is that they spread bacterial wilt. The bacteria live in the digestive tract of the beetle and are transferred to the plant when they are feeding. Sudden wilting, despite adequate watering, is a sign of bacterial wilt. Bacterial wilt infects a plant's water-carrying tissues, blocking the flow of water. The first sign appears as individual leaves wilt on a single stem. The infection quickly spreads, eventually causing the whole plant to wilt, shrivel, and die. So now we know how cucumber beetles destroy plants. We can look at how to manage them and prevent damage. Prevention is key because once your plants get bacterium wilt, there is no cure. Our plan of attack starts with the larvae and overwintering beetles. Prevention starts with turning over the soil and exposing the adults and fresh larvae. Also, keeping a clean garden free of weeds and other hiding spots. Rotate crops annually to break pest life cycles. If you have had issues in the past, look for seed varieties that are resistant to bacterial wilt. Johnny Seeds will let you filter for disease resistance. Use floating row covers early in the season to protect young plants from the beetles. Beetle party! Cucumber beetles release a pheromone when feeding on cucurbits, which acts as a signal to attract more beetles. This chemical signal tells other beetles that food is nearby. It also results in a gathering where mating often occurs. Inspect plants daily and hand-pick beetles, putting them into soapy water and disposing of them. Just an FYI, they don't bite humans. Encourage natural predators like ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps, and plant flowers they like. Interplanting cucurbits with strong-smelling herbs like dill, oregano, or nasturtiums, which is a flower, not an herb, can deter beetles. Planting radishes or tansy near cucumbers can also discourage them. If I'm still seeing too many, beetles, then I turn to neem oil or spinosad, an organic bacterial insecticide, which is effective when beetle populations become overwhelming. What pests are you struggling with this year? Leave me a comment and let me know. You can check out my videos on growing cucumbers and melons. I hope you are having a fabulous growing season. Thanks for watching. And please give this video a thumbs up.